And I know there are a lot of different things in Florida that are unique, like flood insurance that they're going to have to account for. And a lot of that has to do with the home inspections. Could you talk a little bit about how those two are connected and how it may affect your price as far as insurance is concerned?
Absolutely. So the main thing that we are looking for when we need a quote is if your home is 40 years or older, and some carriers 30 years or older, you must have a 4-point. A 4-point is an inspection that's going to tell us how the four main parts of the house are and how they've been updated. So what condition they're in and if they've been updated. So it's going to be roof, AC, electrical, and plumbing. So a lot of times we always have to know have a 4-point before we can quote, because we have to know what age the plumbing is, because a lot of carriers will not accept plumbing over 40 years old. We do have plenty of carriers that can, so don't worry about that, but that's going to get us in the right track. Also with a 4-point, it's going to tell us the condition of the roof. We don't want to insure you and then you get canceled a few days later, or actually a few months later, because the roof has curling or granular loss and things like that. So any home over 2006, we recommend a 4-point to make sure that you don't get canceled down the road, and we put you with the correct carrier. There's also a wind mitigation. A wind mitigation is showing how the roof is connected to the home. You have your clips, your nails, your second water, all this goes into discounts. With the wind mitigation, even if you have an older home and we see that you have a wind mitigation, you're gonna get some of the discounts if the new roof's been put on. But also we can see if you still have toenail, we're going to recommend that you go to Clips. It's very affordable and it's going to save you about $1,000 a year. So the first year you make your money back. So these are some of the things that we can help make sure that you have the most affordable quote with these inspections. Lastly, if you're in an AE zone, you pretty much have to have an elevation certificate. We can quote you without it, but with an elevation certificate, you're going to get the most affordable quote out there, because a lot of the homes are raised and we want to show that it's raised, and we can do that with an elevation certificate. So even though you're in an AE zone, a lot of people think, oh my gosh, it's going to be so expensive. But if your home is raised properly, it's actually quite affordable. So we want to make sure that we are insuring you the most affordable way we can. And to do that, we have to have those inspections. So you're looking at a 4-point, wind mitigation, and if you're in an AE zone, an elevation certificate.